already. Oh man. Oh man. RPM Powersports sent me a cat delete with a cutout for the 2.5 inch, and we're going to be installing that today. You have already seen us do install on 2 different cat deletes, so we're not going to bore you with all the specifics on this. I'll put a little thumb up top on the linking it to the other video that does the install, but the other ones are just cat deletes. This one has the cutout on it, which is going on my buggy. Electronic cutout, so you just hit a switch, goes from mild to wild. So instead of boring you with the install, we'll do a quick time lapse on most of it, and a little before and after. Okay, so another thing important to note, I feel, is there's a gasket that you want to reuse between your OEM and your new cat delete from RPM. Mine fell off, and I found it later, and I had to take everything back apart and put it back on. But just make sure you don't lose this gasket. This goes from the OEM. It'll go back over here to the turbo side. Okay, now also I want to note that when I did mine, I actually I didn't break it, but I stripped out the stock V-band. Now luckily for me, I had a tap here, and I was able to tap it down like a 1/4 or something like that and reuse my old V-band. It's working fine for now, but Dave, he ordered a new one. These things are pretty notorious for breaking when you're taking them apart. So this doesn't come with the kit. I think it's like $30 extra. So I would highly, and this is better for sure than the OEM one. And just have this on hand for an extra 30 bucks. It'll save you a headache for sure. So we've got the new cat delete in. One other thing with this cutout cat delete that we didn't anticipate, the heat shield needs clearanced out. Now we certainly could cut this thing in place, but for the sake of showing it, instructional to show you guys, it will be much easier to take this shield out before and clearance it on the bench. And we're gonna go ahead and take it out. Got some marks in place, just followed the ridge around it. This is probably more that's needed, but it's enough to easily clear it. He's getting the Dremel tool or the cutting wheel ready. Oh man, that works slicker than shit, dude. Quick. Yep, it works, dude. It works. So, fire it up? Why don't we just go ahead and yeah, let's just go ahead and do that.
Just real quick.
Yeah, just real quick.
Close right now. You ready?
I'm
Oh man, do it again. Perfect. Burp the throttle.
I can't reach it.
Oh. Well, hurry up, get over there. I'm excited. Oh, those glorious turbo noises. You get them all with that cutout, man. That sounds pretty sweet. Man, I might have to switch my cat once again. We're gonna do some, take the Dragy down there, do some Dragy times. We have some from before.
So loud.
It's so, wait till it's outside, dog.
All right, cat delete, bypass close. This is idle. Rev it up. All right, open the valve. Give her some revving. Yep.
We're just gonna do a rip down around, and then we'll open her up and do a rip down around.
All right, good. Can barely hear them down there right now with it closed. Can hear the blow off. Oh my God. Oh man, it's so loud. So loud. Every neighbor is probably wondering, what the hell? Man.
I'm gonna tell you what, man. The difference in throttle response is real. It's real. No shit. That's I didn't expect that. That there's certainly crisper throttle response. Even if you had earplugs in, you'd notice the difference in just the way it picks up sooner, builds RPM sooner. That's legit. That's legit for sure. I mean, that's guaranteed gonna, with the same tune, is gonna shave down your Dragy times. No doubt about it. No doubt about it. Let's take a rip, dude, on the roads. Let's get on them streets.
All right.
What do you think?
Yes.
All right, here's one run with exhaust open, Eric not in the car with me. Exhaust closed, no Eric, no passenger. Last run, here we go.
Seemed like it was getting good traction, no tire hop. One thing to keep in mind too is we have these suspensions set all the way soft. I suppose tightening the suspension up might make a little difference. The air pressure is set for street, but it didn't spin, so. That thing sounds so sick. Loud, but not in a bad way. That's really cool.